Let's learn some magic words. Sentences like singing birds.
Hello, hello, how are you? I'm fine, thank you. How about you? What is this? What is that? It's a dog, and that's a cat. May I come in? Yes, you may. Let's play together every day, and so on.
Question 1. What do you say when you meet someone? A. Go away. B. Hello. How are you? C. Meow, meow. Yes, correct answer is hello, how are you? Question 2. What do we say before sleeping? A. Wake up. B. Open the door. C. Good night. Yes, correct answer is good night.